Hello friends, today I will teach you the theme of the story. Now, and the name of the story is The Thief's Story. So, theme of the story is this story tells us how a thief changed into a good man. Here, thief means Hari Singh. Now, when Hari Singh met from Anil, after some time, behavior of Hari Singh changed and Hari Singh became a good man. The center point of the story is Hari Singh, who is a thief. He is the narrator of the story. So here Hari Singh means thief is also a writer of this lesson. He is 15 years old. The age of the Hari Singh is 15 years old. During a wrestling match, he meets Anil. Anil is about 25 years old. He is a simple and honest man. He is a helping nature man. So, the second character in this story is Anil, and the age of the Anil is 25 years old, and he is a very simple and honest man and kind hearted. He is a helping nature man. It means Anil Singh always ready to help anyone. He takes Hari Singh to his house and gives him shelter. After some time, when Anil and Hari Singh talking from each other, Anil agreed and takes Hari Singh to his house and gives him shelter. Now, he knows that Hari Singh saves money from the daily supplies, but he says nothing. Anil know everything that now Hari saved 1 rupees every day, whatever the things he bought. Now he starts to make him learn how to cook. Now in the starting, Hari Singh said that I will cook food for you. But when Hari Singh cooked the food, and after some time, when Anil ate the food, Anil threw the food to the stray dogs because there is no any taste in the food. Why? Because Hari Singh not a cook. Hari Singh was an expert thief and he don't know how to cook food. That's why there is no any taste in the food. So Anil told him how to cook food, how to make food. One day, Anil brings a small bundle of notes after selling a book to a publisher. Now, one day, Anil sold a book to the publisher, and due to this, he earned 600 rupees and notes of only 50s. It means 12 rupees, 12 notes of 50 rupees. Total 600 rupees earned by the Anil after selling the books to the publisher. Now Hari Singh decide to steal money because Hari Singh is a thief and this is his profession to steal the things. When Anil is sleeping, he takes the money and reaches the station. Now, when Anil brought the money in the house, at that time Hari Singh noticed everything, that where he kept the money, and Anil Singh kept the money under the mattress. And in the night when Anil is sleeping, at that time Hari Singh takes the money and reaches the station because he want to catch the Lucknow Express. But his conscience stops him from doing so. He waits in the rain and sits down under the clock tower. But due to the rain, he waits in the rain and sits down under the clock tree. And he did not want to catch the Lucknow Express because whatever the activity done by the Anil for Hari Singh remembered everything. And after that, the thought of the Hari Singh changed. Now his mind changed and he does not want to break Anil's faith. He returns and puts money back under Anil's mattress. So after changing the behavior, he returned home and put the money at the same place. Next morning, Anil gives him a 50 rupees note and tells that now he will pay him regularly. Now next morning, Anil offered a tea and also 50 rupees note, and that note was also wet due to rain. So at that time Hari Singh was shocked because Hari Singh know that this is the same note which is stolen by the Hari Singh. But now Anil offered him 50 rupees and also tea, and he said that I will pay you regularly. One very important thing in this story is what is the reaction of different types of people after stolen the money by the thief. According to Hari had studied all kinds of people who had been robbed of by him. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, and the poor man showed acceptance. So Hari Singh discussed three type of people. First one is the greedy man. Greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, and the poor man showed acceptance. So now in this way we have completed the theme of the story, and now there are also mainly two characters in this story. One is Hari Singh and second one is Anil. So now try to read the theme of the story, and if you know the theme of the story, you know what is the story of thief. Thank you.